Understanding Online Checkout, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a term that's become very common in our digital age: online checkout. This phrase is crucial in the world of online shopping and digital transactions. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in everyday online activities. Online checkout is the process that you go through when you're finalizing a purchase on a website or an app. It's the digital equivalent of standing at the cash register in a physical store. During online checkout, you review your selected items, choose shipping options, and make a payment. It's an essential part of e-commerce and online shopping. 1. Selecting items. Just like in a physical store, you start by choosing the items you want to buy. 2. Reviewing the cart. This is where you see a summary of the items you've selected, similar to looking at your shopping basket. 3. Entering shipping information. Here, you provide the address where you want your items delivered. 4. Choosing a payment method. You select how you want to pay, through credit card, PayPal, or other means. 5. Final review and confirmation. This is the last step, where you review all information and confirm the purchase. Billing address. The address associated with your payment method. Shipping address, where you want your items delivered. Cart, where your selected items are stored. Promo code, a special code for discounts. Order confirmation, a message or email you receive after completing the checkout, confirming your purchase. Ensure the website is secure. Look for HTTPS. Never share your password or sensitive information. Double-check your order and personal details. Be aware of return policies and shipping costs. I hope this video helps you understand the concept of online checkout better. It's a key part of online shopping, and being familiar with it can make your digital purchasing experience much smoother and safer. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping online!